Welcome to this video lecture. Myself Atul Kumar, working as a assistant professor in Department of Computer Science, Rajiv Gandhi Memorial Government College, Jogindarnagar. In this video lecture, I will discuss about open source and proprietary software. So there are two kind of software. One is open source and other is proprietary softwares. So firstly, what is a open source software? So it is a software with source code that anyone can inspect, modify and enhance. Here source code means the statements written in programming languages such as C, C++, Java, Python, etc. So it is the source code which decides how a program or application works. So authors means developers of the open source software makes its source code available to other who would like to view that code, copy it, learn from it, alter it and share it. So there are many open source softwares available such as LibreOffice, Linux, and we have different distributions of Linux operating systems such as Ubuntu, Red Hat. All are open source softwares. Next we have a proprietary software. So proprietary softwares are also called as closed software or non-free software, or they are also called as commercial softwares. So they are the software where the source code is accessible to only the person, team or the organization who created it and maintains exclusive control over it and for modify the software. So software publishers or other persons that retains the intellectual property rights have the copyrights of that proprietary software. So they are basically the commercial software that can be bought, leased and licensed from its vendors or developers. So we have different kind of proprietary softwares available like Microsoft Office, Adobe Photoshop, Corel Draw. All are the examples of proprietary software. So we can purchase or license key can be purchased from these vendors. What relicensing, distributions or copying is prohibited by these vendors. So next we have a free and open source software. It is the short form is FOSS. So free and open source software are the software that can be classified as both free software, so they are freely available, and open source software means they can alter, modify, they can be changed. So anyone is freely licensed to use, copy, study and change the software in any way, and source code is openly shared so that people are encouraged to voluntarily improve the design of the software. So the proprietary software, in contrast to proprietary software where the software is restrictive copyright licensing, the source code is usually hidden from the user in case of proprietary software, but in case of free and open source software it is not hidden from the users. Anyone that have a access to these software can modify, can create or modify these softwares. So there are some benefits of free open source software over proprietary software that I have discussed previously. The first benefit is personal control, customization and freedom. So the users of free open source software have four essential freedoms to make unrestricted use to study, copy, modify and redistribute these kind of softwares as compared to proprietary software. Thus next benefit is they provide better security as compared to proprietary software. The next benefit of FOSS is low cost or no cost, means they are free of charge, and although we can donate some money to encourage the development of these kind of softwares, they also allow the user to better test and compare the software. The next benefit is quality, collaboration and efficiency. So FOSS allows the better collaboration among various parties and individual with the goal of developing the most efficient software for its users or use cases, while the proprietary software is typically meant to generate profits as they are developed by different companies, and the main motive of those companies or organization to generate the profit for that organization. Next, we have some drawbacks as compared to proprietary software of using these free open source software. The first is software incompatibility, means they are not compatible, means they are incompatible with proprietary hardware or specific softwares. The next, we have a no maintenance and support, and this means they are just created by a group of users, and sometimes the maintenance of these kind of software is very tedious job. The next, the licenses are not standard, as in case of proprietary software we have a standard license availables. The next, we have a bugs and missing features. The next drawback is bugs and missing features. In case of FOSS or free open source software, they are some bugs, or there are some unfixed bugs or missing features available in these softwares when they are compared to the proprietary or commercial softwares. Next, the drawback is less guarantee to development. So as there is less continuous development of these kind of software because of lack of money, lack of interest, as compared to commercial softwares that are developed by the companies. Next, we have missing applications, as the free open source software operating systems have a lower market shares as compared to other proprietary software, like if we talk about operating system, we have a Linux and we have a Microsoft, we have a Android. So Microsoft have a high market share as compared to Linux, so there are some or fewer applications available for these kind of software as compared to proprietary software. So these are some drawbacks of using FOSS, means free and open source software, as compared to proprietary software. Thanks for watching this video lecture.